Ain't got no heat. Lennox. Got 16 by 25. Probably it's a G32, 75,000 BTU furnace. Let's see what we got. So, look here. Slow flash and on. Primary limit switch open. Does not apply for variable speed. This is a Q3 right here. If that was a V, that'd be variable. So I want to make sure that these rollout switches are not tripped. Not there. We're good there. So they're doing construction in this place. It's probably a dirty filter. That's probably our problem right there. Let's take a look. You got that door switch. If you don't have that pushed in, you're not gonna have anything here. No lights, nothing. That motor starts. Pulls in the switch. Fan motor's not coming on here. So we have to make sure we're actually getting power to this thing. Got no power to the blower motor. Board fed. And you can see where that shorted out back here. Nice and black. Really toast. She's toast. Got a new board. Ready to go. Let's put her in. Just remember, always read your manual that comes with the board, because it will tell you where to stick terminals on certain boards. Make sure you do this. Alright, I got a new board on this. Comes with a brand new igniter. We got that out, got a new one. This one was looking pretty rough anyways. So we're starting this system up and seeing how she runs. Still got to get a new filter and check the batteries, because there's no common wire hookup to the control board. So if the batteries die, you lose power to the furnace. Let's just make sure everything all runs. We got heat. G32s have a habit of getting clogged on these condensate, so I always blow these out. Otherwise you'll get water that backs up into here and into your motor, and that kind of shortens the life of that motor. So take this off from in here and then go flush it out with water. Take off this here cap with a clamp on it. You can see it on the other side. And wash that out as well. Nice and clean. New filter, batteries are good to go. Clean up and get out of here. Don't forget, put on new flash codes and schematics for future techs. Pretty crazy. We go from having no AC a week ago and today I have no heat, so quite a stretch of weather we've had. So kind of summarizing that, went down, looked at the blink code on the furnace, limit trip, made sure the rollout wasn't open. Filter was old and dirty, but that wasn't the ultimate problem. The problem was the board had fried. Had the board on the truck and put her in.